Welcome back to UK Auto Car Insight. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic and luxurious motorcycles ever reimagined for the modern era, the 2026 Brough Superior SS100. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of heritage, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge engineering blended into a rolling piece of art. The legacy of Brough Superior continues to impress enthusiasts worldwide, and the 2026 SS100 takes things to an entirely new level. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 SS100 carries forward its signature retro-inspired design but now features refined aerodynamic touches that enhance both style and performance. The handcrafted aluminum body panels look more sculpted than ever, with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The updated front fascia includes a redesigned LED headlamp that retains the classic round shape but delivers a more modern lighting signature. Every inch of this motorcycle screams premium, from the polished metal finishes to the exposed mechanical elements that highlight its engineering beauty. One of the biggest updates in the 2026 model is the improved chassis and suspension setup. The bike now features an upgraded Fior-type front fork system, which not only looks unique but also improves stability and handling at high speeds. The rear suspension has been fine-tuned for better comfort, making long rides smoother without compromising the sporty feel. The lightweight construction, thanks to aerospace-grade materials, ensures that the bike remains agile despite its powerful engine. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the SS100 truly shines. The 2026 model is powered by a high-performance V-twin engine, developed in collaboration with leading engineering experts. This engine produces around 100 horsepower, delivering strong acceleration and a thrilling riding experience. The throttle response feels sharper than previous versions, and the torque delivery is smooth yet aggressive when needed. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing it on open highways, the SS100 offers a perfect balance of power and control. When it comes to maximum speed, the 2026 Brough Superior SS100 can reach an impressive top speed of approximately 250 km per hour. This puts it in the league of high-performance superbikes, while still maintaining its identity as a luxury heritage motorcycle. The braking system has also been upgraded, featuring high-end disc brakes with advanced ABS technology, ensuring safety even at high speeds. Fuel average is always an important factor, and while this bike is more about performance and luxury than economy, it still offers decent efficiency for its class. The 2026 SS100 delivers an estimated fuel average of around 18 to 22 km per liter, depending on riding conditions and style. For a motorcycle of this caliber, that's quite respectable and makes it suitable for both short rides and longer journeys. Another highlight of this model is the attention to detail in its craftsmanship. Each unit is hand-assembled, making every SS100 unique. The premium leather seat, custom paint options, and intricate metalwork elevate the bike to a level that few competitors can match. It's not just a ride, it's an experience that reflects exclusivity and prestige. Now let's discuss the price, which clearly reflects the luxury and craftsmanship behind this machine. The 2026 Brough Superior SS100 is expected to start at around $80,000 to $100,000 depending on customization options. This makes it one of the most expensive production motorcycles in the world, but for collectors and enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. In conclusion, the 2026 Brough Superior SS100 is not just a motorcycle, it's a masterpiece that blends history with modern innovation. From its stunning exterior updates to its powerful performance and luxurious detailing, it stands as a true icon in the world of premium bikes. If you're looking for something rare, powerful, and incredibly stylish, this machine delivers on every level.